Hello, my darlings. Welcome back, sort of. I don't know what's going on any more than you do. We will be updated, I think, later today and then again on Monday. But for right now, if you can see what is on my screen, that is the best summary I can find of what's going on. I know you're very worried about the AP test. Gallows and I are too. We have been all over anybody who knows anything, and this is what we know. There will be no face to face. Everybody go to the gym, take a giant test situation this year. Exams will be online. You'll be given 2 different opportunities to take them, and they will be 45 minutes long. Now, what that 45 minutes will entail, I don't really know. It could be 30 minutes of multiple choice, 15 minutes of writing. They may just say, hey, do a DBQ, see you later. We don't know yet. I'm going to show you another page in a second that will give you more information. Right now, our test does not have a date for it. A lot of the other tests do. As soon as I know something, as soon as Gallows knows something, you got to know we're going to pass it on to you. So just be calm as you can. We will get our dates on or before April 3rd. Our test, as of our latest update, will only cover through Unit 7. So give yourself a great big pat on the back because that's almost exactly where we are. We may need to do a day or two, maybe 3, of World War II, but then we're ready for the test. If you do AP Art, your portfolio date is extended. Now, let me talk you through what AP is telling us. Yes, you get to see all of my wonderful, here we go. Yes, this is the latest update from AP. It's basically everything I just told you, but if you go down, this is what you need to Google if you're looking for it. If you go down, it tells you exam at home. See, it's calling it online free response, but we really don't know what they mean by that. Here are the dates. You cruise down to us. There we are. It says we're going to cover 1 through 7, not cover 8 through 9. And we don't know about the dates and things like that. The last 3 categories are question type, exam 1, exam 2. So please be assured that as soon as things are figured out, you'll be in line to know. If I'm repeating myself, bear with me. But what Gallows and I think we're going to do is give new instruction beginning sometime next week through April 3rd to cover World War II. Then we are going to practice DBQs, practice short answers, go over how to answer the multiple choice questions. We're going to utilize your crash course book. You knew I had to cough, right? We're going to utilize John Green's crash course video. We are going to use Adam Norris, Hip Hughes, Khan Academy, College Board. We're going to do everything we can to get you not only prepared for, but ready to just destroy the AP test. Okay, I pause there just a second to have a coughing fit. Let me see what else. We miss you. We really, really miss you. We're worried about you, but we just miss your faces. Oh my goodness. Not normally like this during spring break, because we know we'll see you again in 9 days. But keep reaching out. Um, it'll be so good to see you again, even if it's just virtually. I'm going to try and get a remind set up, which I probably should have done 5 years ago. But y'all are so good about checking the web page. Keep doing that. Also, please, please, please check your school emails on the regular. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll let you know what I know when I know it.